Hey everyone, Greg from Outdoor Goyo here to bring you the top 3 water filters for any budget.
OutdoorGoyo.com is a free packing list generator to use on your next adventure. Just put your destinations, dates, activities you're going to be doing, and we create a custom packing list based on local weather, so you'll always be prepared. Within that list, we provide hand-picked product recommendations for any budget. So be sure to head to OutdoorGoyo.com to be prepared and stay inspired.
All right, let's start with the bang for the buck. This is the Beefree water filter by Katadyn. This thing's amazing. It's totally changed the game on water filters. I had always brought like huge hand pumps, the SteriPen, all of these reliable, semi-unreliable, or just big and bulky water filter options. Now they are coming in very lightweight, easy to use filtration systems like this one. This bottle makes it so simple to scoop up some water and filter as you drink. You just plop it right in the stream, and then the filter is part of the nozzle that you screw on there, and you can drink straight from the nozzle. This nozzle has the ability to squirt at a higher rate, so you can fill other water bottles easily on the trail. When empty, it can fit into your pocket super easily, so there's no excuse to bring it really lightweight, and you never know when you're gonna need it. All right, let's go into the Goyo seal of approval. This one's a little bit better than the bang for the buck. This is the Sawyer system. They have been known for water filtrations for a long time, and it's for good reason. These guys are amazing at making water filters that are super small, compact, easy to use, and lots of thru hikers have been using them for years. So the great thing about these is the adaptable head can be screwed into any water bottle that you, plastic water bottle, whatever kind of water bottle you want to use, which is super convenient and lightweight. And it also comes with bags, yet those bags have been known to leak sometimes. I don't know if they've changed that since the making of this video, but just know that that is a possibility. So be sure to bring a backup. And the pick of the litter, which is the cream of the crop, which is the best of the best, is a gravity system. Now this isn't really great for people who are on the go like these other options, but we wanted to throw one in there that is really great if you're setting up camp, or if you're filtering water for more than 2 people, you may be cooking or whatever thing like that. This is the Platypus GravityWorks system. There's 2 bags. You scoop up the dirty water with one, and then the gravity system will flow through the filter, and the clean water will end up in the other bag. Now you can do up to 8 liters of water with very minimal effort within a few minutes. This backpacking filter is lightweight. It makes a lot of sense if you're camping with groups. The zip top can be difficult to close with gloves, but otherwise this one's a winner. All right, that about sums it up for the top 3 water filtration systems for any budget. If you have any questions or want to know more information about these products, there are links below. Please leave a comment, subscribe, like, and have a great rest of your day. Outdoor Goyo, out.